Like everybody, I think the future's cloud. The challenge is, how do you get to the cloud? So at a previous company, I just tried to port legacy products into the cloud, and it was expensive, and it was inefficient, and it was awkward, and frankly, it just didn't feel right. So then I went to a different company, and we tried to build everything from scratch, cloud native, the right way. And that was complicated and slow, and also expensive. Like, you should have seen our first AWS bill. And then I found Druva. And here was this SaaS company that had already solved all those infrastructure problems that, frankly, people don't want to deal with. And that leaves you open to do all the fun, innovative stuff. So in our case, really help people extract value from their data. Druva was the right place for me. In business, pretty much every business these days, whether you're selling light bulbs or paint or berries, is now an application digital business. And they want to move as fast as possible. And then you've got IT on the other side, and they know how the story goes. That when you just go, 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 the result usually is that you end up on the front page of the Wall Street Journal with a security outage or a disaster or some sort of data leak. But the cloud really can bring the two sides together if they go on the right journey, where you can move with speed, but also trust and confidence that everything's going to be okay with your data. Every successful cloud journey I've seen has followed a three-stage pipeline, and Druva fits in perfectly with it. So the first stage, get some quick wins. What's a better quick win than solving backup, which has always been a problem, by using SaaS, which means you get to the cloud with all the complexity of managing infrastructure. Which leads you to phase two, which is enable others to move faster in the cloud. Well, once you've got that data protection set up, you can use that same Druva platform to protect the data in the cloud so that you can develop with confidence more quickly. And then that pivots perfectly to stage three, which is you keep adding value by taking that data you've brought into the cloud that runs next to some of the most powerful infrastructure the world's ever known so that you can do disaster recovery, analytics, anything else you want to do in your business. Druva takes you through stage one through stage three of the pipeline so you can be successful in your cloud journey.